Okay, well, this is the hair that I used. It's Kanekalon RastAfri, and I got it in color B44 and also 1B to blend. I had to blend it because my hair is not quite this gray. You know, I mean, it may be showing up a bit gray up in here, but it's because of, or a bit more, it's because of the gels and things that I put in. It's my first time making a ponytail in like 11 and a half years. So, anyway, so it was experimenting on everything, really. It's my first time making a ponytail with fake hair and a ponytail on my own hair. My hair is, it's all natural, but I don't know how long it is. I don't know. My little afro stands out to here. I'll put a picture in here to show you my afro and my afro puff, or at least the afro puff picture. I'll show you that one. So that was kind of fun to comb that out and, you know, shape it up. And I was just really amazed that my hair had grown out enough to be able to do that. So that's exciting. So, but about this ponytail, took a long time, quite a while, because I had to blend this hair with my, with the black 1B. And I actually needed more of it because my hair is not, I don't have this many grays in here, but I like how it turned out. I think it's pretty, and it's real soft hair. It didn't really tangle up. There was a couple of moments where it got a little bit tangled, but for the most part, I really do like the hair. I don't know how long it's gonna hold up. We'll see. We'll see if I have to refreshen it. I'm sure I will, you know, before I have to discard it, simply because I put in a lot of hours. So of course I'm gonna wanna preserve it as best I can. And it took me a while. It took me a while to make this over a course of several days. And but again, it's because of the first time me doing anything like this. And I'll shout out the video that inspired me. The young lady, she does a lot of hair videos, and she does a fantastic job. But I'll shout her out in my description. I'll probably maybe put a picture here, somewhere like that. But for the most part, that's the word I'm looking for, I really do like this hair. I bought a lot of it, so you'll be seeing it more, because I really want to have options when I want to wear my own hair out, and to be until the manufacturers get wind that those of us that are natural, you know, without having any chemicals in our hair, we don't want to dye our hair. Not everybody wants to dye their hair. A lot of us are starting to want to embrace our silver and grays and whatever, you know, transitioning to, you know, as we get older. I love my hair. Now, I'll cover it up. I'll put on wigs that are dark black or off black or red or blondish, you know, honey blonde, because I like to change things up. But it's not because I'm ashamed of my hair at all. Not at all, not even in the slightest. So, but anyway, so thanks for coming to the video and checking it out. And let me know what you think about it. And I'm going to be doing more. And I'm going to learn how to cut synthetic hair a lot better. You know, I'm going to have to study that and figure that out. But for now, this is what I have. I like it. I love it. And thanks for coming and check it out.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Okay, so now I'm ready to put the ponytail in. This will be my first time putting this on, and just to kind of explain, this white might look a little white up in here. I do have gray hair though, but I'm thinking that the combination I put in to get my short hair to lay down and cooperate might have been, I don't think it like melted in real good. So it might be looking a little more gray when it really isn't this gray. It's probably the, I used Got to Be Glued, and I used some beeswax. I used Econ gel. I used quite a few things. Because this is my first time trying to, you know, lay my hair down for a ponytail since going natural again. So I'm just really trying to get this in here. It's not as secure as it needs to be, but I'm just trying to get it in here. And just to tell you a little bit about it, I didn't take out all the plaits because I thought that looked kind of pretty, having some random braids still in. But so far, so I got this, or made this anyway, to help secure the edge of it, because I didn't want to mess up the curls from using a portion of it to wrap around, you know, do the wrap around. So I said, well, how about I just come up with my own? That way I'll come up with my own. That way I won't mess up the hair. All right. Okay. You get out my way. All right, so I'll work on the edge, you know, to try to chop it up a little bit, make it look a little more natural. But so far, I like it. I'm glad to be able to have a ponytail. It's been about 11 years, over 11 years since I've had a ponytail. So I hope you can see it. Let me make sure I'm not moving too much so you can see.